Hello there. Using an ATM is quick and convenient, but it's essential to stay vigilant to protect your account and personal safety. Many people make simple mistakes at ATMs like being distracted or not protecting their PIN. These can lead to serious security issues. Here's a critical tip: always be aware of your surroundings when using an ATM. Before using an ATM, take a moment to look around. If you notice anyone acting suspiciously or if you feel uneasy, find another machine or come back later. While entering your PIN, cover the keypad with your hand to prevent anyone from seeing it, even if you think no one is around. Follow these additional tips to ensure your safety. First, avoid using ATMs at night or in isolated areas. Second, check for skimming devices. Third, don't accept help from strangers. Skimming devices can steal your card information without you knowing. Always give the card slot a quick wiggle or tug before inserting your card. If anything feels loose or unusual, don't use the machine and report it to the bank. By staying alert and following these tips, you can protect yourself from fraud and keep your account secure. Stay safe and enjoy hassle-free banking.